Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the color of the display on your KOORUI 24E4. If you want to make it warmer, cooler or anything else, click on M button to go to the menu, then click on the right arrow 4 times to go to color and click on E to enter it. Now use the arrows to either select cool, remember to apply with E button, warm, DCI-P3, or you can also go to user. In user you can select red, green or blue. I'm gonna go to blue. Now if I can use the arrows to turn the blue down. You can see how it got less blue. Maybe not that much. Let's leave it on like 25. You can also adjust the greens to make it less green or more green, and less or more red. And remember to apply the changes with E button and click on M to exit the menu. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.